Suboxone Maintenance, ensuring long-term sobriety and success in opioid addiction recovery. Many people seek treatment only when they reach the depths of their addiction and cannot recover without medical intervention. Suboxone maintenance is one method used to support long-term sobriety and is essential in helping people begin recovery. This video dives into Suboxone maintenance, a crucial method for ensuring long-term sobriety and success in opioid addiction recovery. So if you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, this video is for you. Suboxone is a medication specifically designed to treat opioid addiction. It combines two essential drugs, buprenorphine and naloxone. Together, these help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms associated with opioid use disorder. When used correctly, Suboxone can be an effective tool for promoting long-term sobriety and preventing relapse. Suboxone attaches to the same receptors in the brain as opioids, but in a much weaker manner. It can give you some pleasurable effects without causing complete opioid intoxication. Suboxone also stimulates specific receptors, sending signals that reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms. It is usually part of a medication-assisted treatment (MAT) program, which combines medications with counseling and behavioral therapies. Suboxone maintenance is an essential part of a comprehensive recovery program. It provides stability and support for individuals in recovery, allowing them to focus on addressing the underlying causes of addiction. Remember, Suboxone maintenance is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It should be tailored to your specific needs and always combined with counseling and other forms of support for maximum effectiveness. Suboxone has potential side effects, such as nausea, constipation, dizziness, and headaches. But these can be managed and are often temporary. Communicating any side effects to your doctor is essential. Also, remember that abruptly stopping Suboxone can lead to withdrawal symptoms and an increased risk of relapse. Always follow your doctor's instructions when tapering off. Let's discuss some practical tips to help you stay committed to your recovery journey. These tips can make a significant difference in your success. Find a compassionate doctor who will listen to your needs and work with you to develop a tailored plan. Stick to your treatment program as prescribed. Attend all appointments and follow-up visits. Build a strong support system for emotional and practical support. Engage in activities that keep you motivated and focused on your recovery. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as yoga or meditation. Avoid triggers and high-risk situations. Remember, relapse does not equal failure. Learn and grow from it. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Seeking help is the first step towards lasting sobriety and living a healthier, happier life. If you're looking for Suboxone treatment resources, SuboxoneDoctor.com is an excellent place to start. We provide a directory of certified Suboxone physicians in your area, removing the guesswork of finding a doctor. So, take control of your life and seek the help you deserve. Visit SuboxoneDoctor.com.